You're such a boss. You're such a boss. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be learning how to make Bahamian Sky Juice. Yes, the famous gin and coconut water. We're gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients and everything you need to make it and the quantity that you need and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and just get started. Let's go. You're going to need a 1-gallon bottle or a pitcher, 3 coconuts for the coconut water and coconut. And that's okay if you don't have access to coconuts. You can also use the canned coconut water with or without pulp. We're going to need sweet or condensed milk. And the most important part, the dry gin. You can also have the cinnamon or nutmeg, and that's optional. Papi,
Hello.
¿puedes cortar esto para mí, por favor?
Claro. Un buen coco.
Sí. Gracias.
Bueno, claro.
Papi, disculpe. Corta esos por la mitad, por favor. I love having jelly in my Sky Juice. Some people don't, but I like the flavor and the texture of it in my drink. So I'm gonna scoop all of that out of this coconut. After scooping them out of the coconuts, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. This bottle here was pre-made with ice in it, just so I can drink it right away, and it can be nice and cold. As I prepare my sweet milk to go into the bottle, I'm going to open up the can and empty it into the cup. Usually I would have already blown into this can just to speed up the process, but today I have a little bit more patience. So I'm gonna take some coconut water and put it in the cup just to add more of a watery texture, and then I'm going to mix it so that it's loose and easier to pour in the bottle. And I do this so I can gauge how sweet my sky juice is. That way, if any is left, I can use it for a next batch for a next day. So I'm going to make 2 bottles. One will be leaded with gin, and the other one will be unleaded without gin. So this one will be with the natural coconut water, and this one will be for the canned coconut water. So this one will have no gin in it. Okay, now I'm going to take this unleaded bottle and sweeten this one to my liking. Then I will top this one off with 1 can of coconut water until it's full. Alright, so this is the part where you would want to add rum. This is the one that I'm using. So I'm basically going to do a cup of this. Now I'm going to fill the bottle up with gin, leaving just enough space for the coconut pieces. Now we have our unleaded and leaded sky juice. Please drink responsibly and enjoy. For the cinnamon touch, for the finishing touch, I'm going to add cinnamon. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and real quick before you go, I'm gonna turn this from unleaded to leaded. And so I'm gonna add my own little to-do. Don't mind me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I gotta say goodbye.